And back with some breaking news coming in. Bengal Assembly Speaker is now using a technical ground as a reason to stall Suvendu Adhikari's resignation. He says that the date isn't specified as far as the resignation letter is concerned, and so the resignation cannot be accepted. That's the latest as far as Suvendu Adhikari, ex-TMC heavyweight, his resignation is concerned. It has been rejected for the moment by the Bengal Assembly Speaker, stating technical grounds. Anuj, my colleague, joining us with more on the same. Anuj, can we sense perhaps some sort of a political pressure really, because, sources have...
Assembly Secretariat on 16th December 2020 at about 14:10 hours. I had come to the office on 16th December 2020 and stayed there in my chamber up to 13:30 hours. Thereafter, I left my office for attending a pre-scheduled program. The matter relating to resignation of seats in the House is dealt with under Article 190, Clause 3, Clause B of the Constitution of India and Rule 241B of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. Article 190, Subclause 3, Subclause B of the Constitution of India says that if a member of a House of the Legislature of a state resigns his seat by writing under his hand address to the Speaker or the Chairman, as the case may be, and his resignation is accepted by the Speaker or the Chairman, as the case may be, his seat shall thereupon become vacant. Provided that in case of any resignation referred to in subsection B, if from information received or otherwise, and after making such inquiry as he thinks fit, the Speaker or the Chairman, as the case may be, is satisfied that such resignation is not voluntary and genuine, he shall not accept the resignation. Rule 241B of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly states as follows: a member who desires to resign his seat in the House shall intimate in writing under his hand, addressed to the Speaker, his intention to resign his seat in the House in the following form, and shall not give any reason for his resignation. He cannot add any words beyond what has been prescribed under Rule 241B. Now I will read the letter that has been given to me by Sri Suvendu Adhikari. That also I will read. Now it is 241A, 241B says, the format of the letter is to the Speaker, West Bengal Legislative Assembly, Kolkata. Sir, I hereby tender my resignation of my seat in the House with effect from ... The date is to be put from which date he wants to resign his seat. Place date, yours faithfully, member of the House. Again, Rule 241B, A and 1A and 1B, it states as follows: if a member hands over the letter of resignation to the Speaker personally and informs him that the resignation is voluntary and genuine, and the Speaker has no information or knowledge to the contrary, the Speaker may accept the resignation immediately. If the Speaker receives the letter of resignation either by post or through someone else, the Speaker may make such inquiry as he thinks fit to satisfy himself that the resignation is voluntary and genuine,